Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I will show you how to fix Netflix sound problem easy and quick. You don't have to open your Netflix. You should open your settings of your phone. Open next your apps option and search for Netflix. Click right now. Scroll down to storage and click clear cache. Back, click force, stop and click then OK. Come to set as a default, open supported links, and next go to Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. Update your Netflix, restart your phone, and that's all. So don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and